So today is a super casual Sunday video because I just got back from Target and I picked up some things from HOMEGOODS, and then I also have a few Amazon favorites to show you guys. So just sit back and relax. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. I'm really casual right now. That car is James just leaving. He's going to his parents real quick. We've been having such a busy day. I've been up since like the crack of dawn. Kenzie is sleeping right now, so fingers crossed I can get this filmed and done in time. I hadn't been to HOMEGOODS in a while and I desperately missed it. It's like home to me. And so the first thing I got from there was this really cute sign. I'll try and show you up close. It says, "You feel like home." It was only $4.99, which is a great deal. I just love how cute and little it is. I have the perfect place for this. It's gonna go in my kitchen, so I'll show you a clip of it so you can see what it looks like all together. $4.99, you can't beat it, and I just loved what it says. If I'm going quickly through this, I apologize. It's because one, I think my camera might die and my battery is at my parents' house, so I don't have time to go get it, and Kenzie is sleeping, so it's like a ticking time bomb. You never know when she's gonna wake up. Next item is this really cute plant. I just got this from HOMEGOODS and I had been looking for a plant like this for my kitchen and also my laundry room. I had two spots that I was wanting just some greenery in, and this was perfect. I love these plants that look kind of whitewashed. I think they're really pretty, and this base was super pretty. I just love the detailing in it. And this was, I think, I took off the tab, but I think it was like $9.99, which I thought was a pretty good deal. Then I got one that was super similar to it, and it's this one right here. So basically they look super similar, but they're going in different places in my house, so they're not going to be like near each other or anything like that. One's going in my kitchen and one's going in my laundry room. This one was also $9.99. This one has a little bit different detailing on it, but I really love anything gray and whitewash, so these were perfect and definitely go with my decor, so love those. Next, this is really random and it's not necessarily a home decor item, but this is a new cleaning spray I've been using, and it's by the brand called Caldrea, I believe. I think that's how you say it. This is the Pear Blossom Agave scent, and it smells so good. I've been loving this. I use the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner all the time in the peony scent. It's my favorite, but I wanted to try something new, and I was super impressed by this last night when I was cleaning the kitchen. Just makes your house really smell. Like when I walked up the stairs, I just instantly smelt this stuff, so I was impressed by it. Things like this just make cleaning a little bit better for me, so I thought I would share. So next, I got two sets of dresser knobs. And the reason why is because I'm going to be redoing my dresser. Right now I have the black IKEA dresser and I really want it to be white, so I'm going to paint it white, which is going to be such a pain in the butt. But these were perfect. Like, they were exactly what I was looking for, and I just love the detailing on them. I don't know if you guys heard in my last video, but I'm trying to kind of change my like decor style, and so it's going more like boho natural. I really like that rustic look. So yeah, so love these. I got two sets and they were $7.99. Hopefully this will motivate me to get that dresser done so I can get these on there. This might be kind of boring to you guys, but I thought I'd show you anyways because you guys are always interested in decor. But this is just a really pretty bath towel. I needed a decorative bath towel and a hand towel. I just feel so bad when guests come over and can't dry their hands, so I had to pick up them. I love the detailing in this one. This is the bath towel. This is just the hand towel and it's just bright white, so I liked it. The white hand towel was $5.99. And then the bath towel was $7.99. I just actually got this in the mail, so I haven't put it to use yet, but I'm excited. I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video soon, and this is actually a purse organizer, and I love all the compartments in it that you can just like keep it neat and organized. It has two pockets on the inside and then three in the middle. The thing I like about this is you can take out this middle part if you don't want it, so it just velcros in there. Super handy. And then on the back it has 2 more pockets. The other side it has 1 big pocket on the outside. So yeah, I got this off Amazon for $18 and it's gonna fit perfectly in my purse. It's definitely a type of video I haven't done before. It's not just like a normal what's in your bag, so stay tuned for that. This item is actually not from Amazon or HOMEGOODS. This I got at Nordstrom and I think they still have it on their website. I'll try and link it down below. But this is a corksicle tumbler and I just loved it. It's like this white and pink heathered look and it's just really nice quality. You probably can see like my lipstick on there because I'm always drinking out of it, but it literally has held my drinks cold for about I think 10 or 12 hours, which is pretty good. I know you can get some really similar ones on Amazon. I'll link one down below that people talk about a lot and that they say lasts a lot longer. But I just thought I'd show it. I am a sucker for cups and mugs and tumblers. I don't know why, I just am. And then I picked up some hand towels for our kitchen. I wanted to get some fall-esque decor, but I don't want like that orange and yellow, you know, leaf color. So I found these at HOMEGOODS. These match my kitchen perfectly. They're just like this really pretty mint and green. You get a set of 2 hand towels for $6.99, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. Okay guys, so this is probably my favorite home decor item I have right now in my house. I've been obsessed with it. I put it on every night and it's the best thing ever. It's this gorgeous diffuser. You guys know I've talked about diffusers before on my channel, but this one especially I love. I love like the gorgeous detailing and I just think it's a unique diffuser. A lot of diffusers are just plain and boring, but this one really caught my eye. I got this off of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I think they might have this back on their website, but it's probably at full price again. But in my opinion, it's worth it. It's like this beautiful ceramic material. It feels like great quality. I love that it lights up in like 7 different colors. So pink, blue, yellow, red, all of like the different colors. And when it's being diffused, it's really strong and powerful. It literally smells my whole house, so I love that. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. And to go along with this, I bought some new essential oils and I actually got them off Amazon, and the ones on Amazon had so many good reviews. It was only $14.95, which was such a good deal for all of these essential oils. I've been diffusing these every night in my house and they seriously smell up the house so well and they last, and I just really like them. I just thought I'd show them. I know that some people are like really particular about what oils they use, but I mostly do essential oils for just the like aroma and fragrance, not necessarily for like the health benefits. Okay, so this is random, but I wanted to mention it because I am a skincare junkie. Like seriously, if I could have all the skincare in the world, I would die happy. But I needed a place to store all of my stuff on my counter in the bathroom because everything was just laying everywhere and it just looked really cluttered. So I found this really pretty acrylic holder and it just fits everything perfectly. It's looking a lot more neat and organized. I can just put this under my sink at night, and then whenever I'm ready the next morning, I can bring it up and do my skincare routine. So this has just been really handy. I'm really into the Ordinary skin right now. I'm not going to get into all my skincare right now because that would take so long. I think this is perfect for just holding all of my skincare. So it's been working out great. So if you want to see a skincare video, give this video a thumbs up or leave me a comment, or you guys know what to do if you want to see it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know that I'm looking for new throw pillows. I'm trying to find a whole new set of throw pillows for our couch. I found this really pretty blush pink pillow. Love the fringe detail on here. I think it's really pretty and I think it looks really nice against the gray couch. This one was from HOMEGOODS and it was $16.99. I'm still on the hunt for a few more pillows, but I have this one right now. And then I got this really fluffy gray. It's super soft. It's not like that itchy fluffy material, which I hate. I used to have white fluffy ones and they were so annoying, so that's why I got rid of them. But this one is really nice and soft and I liked how light of a gray it was. And then this pink one was from Hobby Lobby and it was $40, but it was like 50% off of that, so I got it for $20. So not too bad. I love this. Is really random and not very interesting, but I'll show you guys anyways. This is just like a sink stopper, and it was in that beautiful mint color that you guys know I love. Loved the color. I have one that's already in our sink right now, but it was getting kind of dingy and gross, so I just picked up another one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this home decor video. I will see you guys in my next video next Sunday. I think I'm going to do 5 huge marriage mistakes that I've personally made, so if you're interested in that, subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.